English speaking practice. Good at. Are you good at mathematics? I'm good at soccer. I'm good at skiing. He is good at golf. He's good at cards. She is good at swimming. Are you good at cooking? Tom is good at cooking. I'm good at math. Tom is good at rugby. Tom is good at driving. Tom got good at singing. She's good at tennis. What are you good at? Tom is good at French. You're good at drawing. Tom was good at that. We're good at it. Tom is good at biology. What's Tom good at? Tom is good at lying. Is Tom good at cooking? What subject are you good at? I was always good at English. Politicians are good at raising money. He is good at taking photos. She's good at handling children. He's very good at guitar. She is good at imitating him. Tom isn't good at sports. Tom is good at speaking French. Tom is good at avoiding fights. I'm not good at French. I'm pretty good at guessing. I was never good at grammar. I'm getting good at this. Tom's good at his job. You'd be good at it. You were never good at drawing. You always were good at math. You're so good at it. I'm good at problem solving. He's good at telling jokes. You should be good at that. Tom is good at climbing trees. I was never good at math. Tom is good at public speaking. Are you good at keeping secrets? Tom is pretty good at improvising. I'm pretty good at multitasking. Tom is good at it, too. Tom is really good at swimming. Tom is good at imitating Mary. Tom became pretty good at it. Aren't you good at math? Tom is good at chess, too. Tom is also good at chess. What's Tom good at doing? Tom is good at almost everything. Tom is good at teaching French. Tom wasn't good at baseball. Tom isn't good at baseball. Are you still good at baseball? Why are you good at French? Why is Tom good at French? What sports are you good at? This isn't good at all. Tom is pretty good at bowling. What subjects are you good at? I'm good at giving advice. My brother is good at playing tennis. My father is very good at fishing. Some animals are very good at climbing. He was very good at playing tennis. He is good at riding a horse. He is short, but good at basketball. I hear he is good at mahjong. I'm not very good at swimming. I hear you are good at cooking. My older sister is good at typing. Tom isn't good at telling jokes. Tom got good at programming in JavaScript. He's not good at remembering names. They say she's good at cooking. I've never been good at French. You're good at what you do. You always were good at your job. You ought to be good at that. We used to be good at this. This is what I'm good at. This doesn't look good at all. I'm not very good at singing. I think I'm good at golf.